So students, today I will start with electric dipole, a system consisting of two equal and opposite charges when placed at a certain distance. This system is called electric dipole, and the distance between these two charges is called dipole length. Either it is denoted by 2a or 2l. Then comes the electric dipole moment, which is the measurement of separation of opposite charges. And what is the definition of electric dipole moment? It is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge and dipole length. It is defined as the product of magnitude of either charge and dipole length. So magnitude is q, dipole length is 2a, so q into 2a is p. It is vector quantity, and if electric dipole moment is a vector quantity, then what is its direction? Its direction is negative to positive, minus q to plus q. Having units coulomb for charge, meter for dipole length, so coulomb meter is the unit. Now expression for electric field intensity at a point on the axial line, which is one of the important topic. So let P be a point at a distance r from the center of dipole AB on its axial line, and you are supposed to calculate electric field due to this dipole at point P. So to understand it better, I have placed plus 1 test charge at point P. Now first of all, I will calculate electric field intensity at point P due to charge minus q at A. So first of all, I am going to calculate EA, that is electric field due to minus q at this point, and the result is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here the magnitude is q, here the magnitude is 1, q into 1 is q, over distance between the two is PA square. Why I have written it PA and not AP? Because EA is having along PA, because this negative charge will attract this plus 1, so this will be the direction of EA. That is why I have written the distance to be PA, and for PA it is R plus A. P to A is R plus A, so it is R plus A square. Now I have to calculate electric field at point P due to charge plus Q at B. Then applying Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, q into 1 is q, over the distance between the two is bp square. I have written it as bp square because plus 1 is repelled by plus q in this direction. That is why I have taken bp, and for bp it is r o to p, it is r minus a. R minus a is bp square. So this will become EB. Now you can check between EA and EB, denominator of EB is smaller, so I can say as denominator is small, so EB is greater than EA. So on comparing these two equations, you will get EB is greater than EA. As EB is greater than EA, so this plus 1 is pushed towards EA, so net electric field is along EB. So the net electric field due to dipole is larger value of electric field minus smaller value of electric field. Now substitute the value of EB and EA in this equation. You will get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q is taken common from both, 1 over r minus a square minus 1 over r plus a square, and it is along OX, that is away, that is in the direction of EB. Now on solving this, you will solve in this way, but you will get 2RA plus 2RA, that is 4RA. Now for 4RA I will write 2 into 2A into R, and this Q is taken to this side because Q into 2A is P. So net electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into Q into 2A is electric dipole moment P into R. So this will become your result. Now there is a special case that if your dipole is very very small, or I can say if this is the dipole and this is the observation point, and this r is very very large as compared to this a, r is very very large as compared to a, then a square can be neglected as compared to r square. So when a square is neglected, this will become 2pr upon r square square, that is r to the power 4. R cancels with r, this will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2b by r cube. So for small dipole, or when the observation point is very much away from the center of dipole, this is the result. You have to remember these two results. This is for dipole of finite length, and this is for dipole of very small length. And the direction of net electric field in the two cases is negative to positive, that is negative charge to positive charge. Why it is negative to positive charge? Because this is the net electric field that is in the direction of eb, and eb is from negative to positive. Thank you very much.